welcome back to Video Wizard, and today is a very quick tutorial on how to take a singular frame from your project in Premiere Pro. Okay, so you see my timelines here. You can pick exact frames by using the right and left keys. Okay, this is a still image, so it won't change, but it's the right and left keys to do exact frames. And as soon as that's done, you want to press this little camera down here, export frame, or you can press Ctrl Shift and E. You want to name it, so let's name this Germany. Choose the format as well. I would suggest a JPEG because they work in a lot of other applications in better than others, let's say they're more universal. And then you have your path down here where it will go. So you can find it again and then press OK. And then it will be in your library. So let me go into mine. Documents, Adobe. And you'll notice Germany. There it is. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.